Set AQ1. In this we will use a simple loop to print multiplication table of the input number. Declare section. This will be input. The number which will be incremented. Begin section.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
Increment I.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist.
Set AQB solution. In this we will first create student table and then insert records using variables.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time.
After creating table, we'll write PLSQL block.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
The record will be inserted in these variables. Now for inserting these inputted record in table, we'll use insert into query.
You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you.
Here we'll show user that row is inserted.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Set AQ3 solution. Here we'll use two input and check if the numbers are positive or negative. Declare variables. Will be used for getting value of a int I.
baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of bird. just treat your body and mind. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
Set BQ1. In this question, we'll use %row type. In a short manner, %row type is used for getting data type of whole row in just one variable. Logic is that we'll be getting student roll no and then print the record. But first let's add some records in student table.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. My appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Set BQ2 solution. In this question, we'll use %type used for extracting data type of a particular table. We'll also use if-then-else statement. Declaring variables.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Execution section.
But I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you get me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Set BQ3. In this we will use simple exit loop. And also using simple if-else statement we can identify even or odd. Declaration section. This will increment in loop. For incrementing. Mod I, 2 equals 0 means if I mod by 2 equals 0.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of bird.